he is. He's coming back. So we've just hit the turn, and clearly we found out they are they are very worried about pace of play, and we're worried about.
We're loving life.
We are just the goal's shit. 3 over to 1 over. No midterm video footage back as usual, which is usually Gilbert's special. We might be on for a birdie here. I don't want to talk too early, but
I'm thinking eagle there.
Sure, chip in, let's go.
Get up.
Might actually do it right, even though you duffed it.
Get the intruder on the way in. Get up.
Jeez. Yeah, that's definitely not the direction. Yep. Might actually be the best shot from up there. Texas wedge it.
Go. Well, I don't know where I was aiming.
Bit more legs. Just a bit more. Oh, that just went left. That's pretty handy though. Like, genuinely, I will take that. Oh, Sammy is so back. Sammy is so back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at hole 10 and Sammy is absolutely striping him. Johnny's hit one straight. I've hit one straight. There's one so far down. Whose is that? Fuck. Okay, Sammy's taken over the DJ. Back 9, let's get under par. When I say he's back, like, that's down there in a spot that we can get the green. So. There we go. Ooh, that's a shank, ladies and gentlemen. Aim left up. No, the other left. Oh shit. That's handy, we're on the green. That looks good, Sammy. Really, really good. And that is a fucking birdie, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. We're back 2 over.
I've got to do the work again. It's pretty standard at this point.
Let's now this is going to be one full shot of you saying that and then topping it into the fucking cart path.
Let's see if I can make it past that little wooden post about 30 metres away.
Wide stance, half a backswing. Launched. Absolutely fucking launched. Perfect positioning. Ready for the run up.
That is right in the spot. Kick right to left. Sorry, ads. I did not.
We've got a good one up there. That's better. That's good. Go. Yeah, sharp boy. I don't even think I need to take that. Have a crack.
Very nice.
Might be in.
He's got to clean his fucking balls. Yeah, then his ball will get in the hole more often. Fuck me.
And he has contacts. We have contacts.
Jog on, son.
Summation of what's happening right now.
I mean, I've got my mojo back. That's all I'm going to say. Finally figured out how to hit the driver again. But I was in charge of the long game, so now I'm just leaving it to Paulie to
Short
take care of
game
the
it.
short
Which,
game.
to be fair, the last hole,
You went up and down.
yeah, great.
I'm glad that was not recording.
What do you want to say to the camera?
I need more Voltaren.
Do you want to say that with the proper pronunciation? Voltaren or Maltesers?
Maltesers. Get up, son.
I need more muscle there. That's good. Yeah, you had the line, so good. You just hit that front face. Wowee!
Brilliant.
Oh, that is shape.
Oh,
God, that is good.
Yeah,
God, that
on
is
that.
good.
Well,
Whoa.
oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's good.
great shot. Great shot.
Bringing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're back for captain's log. Guess what? Sammy is still striping them.
I don't know. You give me a run for my money at the moment.
I've hit one good, but we're 4 holes to go. We are
2 over. Still.
2 over. The other guys we think are, I think they're even maybe, so they might beat us. Yeah, you fucking are. Ooh, that is a lot further.
That's,
Is it? That's like over the back.
that's 6
Yeah.
runs.
Not get under that.
Yeah.
That's 6 and out over.
Oh, he's gone direct at it, and that is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, John Daly's arrived.
Johnny's Coffee and Golf. You've just birdied a hole all by yourself. How does it feel?
Oh look, you know, you just take it one shot at a time. It's a great credit to the boys. They did a little 1% right. Shout out to the course for actually putting up a fight. You know, if it wasn't for the courses, that yeah, you know, it makes for great entertainment, and obviously the product is going to be great. Yeah, just can't wait to get out there and win a couple more matches.
Love to hear it.
Thank you very much.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, that's all we need.
Mate, this guy. Geez, you've got that good. Just the slices, really. That and the wind's got it. Is it a day for it? It is. Oh, that might have helped, but no. That's good.
Nice, Johnny.
We're in the middle.
Which one of you hit the tree?
I wish I could do that.
Fair hit from over here.
Oh.
Hit through. I love that. Well, I love that he came out here just for a chat. Like, obviously, his ball's gone.
Yeah, that's good shot.
And also, I love that I just chatted through your whole backswing and didn't even realise.
And you still know.
And you still nailed it.
I was too busy listening to your story.
I'm just learning the game of golf, so. So I aim at the flag.
Look at that for a shot. Yeah, it's gonna go right, left. I mean,
Shot. Go, go, go. Oh. Shot. Oh. Oh,
Sammy! Drop in. Sorry. You coming into the 18th. We nearly chipped in for birdie. Sammy chipped closer than I did, and we're still 2 over. Yeah, I think there's a good chance. If there wasn't weather here today, we'd go around under. Oh, I feel like the rain might have turned the camera off at some point.
You alright? Oh yeah.
Lucky it's the last. Alright, or pitching.
Whatever.
Yeah. Oh. That is good.
Oh no.
Alright.
There we go.
Well done, Johnny.
Never it out.
Boys, how are we feeling? Good? Feeling good? You shouldn't be feeling good. You've made 0 contribution to the team.
It's true.
This is the team.
Hey, how are you? My name's Blades.
Blades.
As in, I don't play blades.
What did I say?
That's the camera every time it was.
Oh, that's good. That's a long way out. That adds pressure to the rest of your group. Not when you got Rory McIlroy putting, it doesn't.
1 under overall. 2 under on
Overall?
the back, 1 over on the front.
I think we were 2 over.
Makes sense.
All up.
Sam, come get your pantry item. You're littering, buddy. What's this?
More classic zingers from Gilbert.
How did you go with the? Did you come to play like your shirt says you did?
I did.
Can I call you Daddy too?
Yeah,
That good?
absolutely. No. But every drive of mine went very far right. But 1 putts only from me. Short game was on point.
Tap in.
Absolutely. Hand wedge.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Hand and foot.
Tough day out there. That
Tough.
window is brutal.
Yeah. That was weather. Have you ever heard that song, 4 Seasons in One Day? We didn't get 4, we got 2, and it was summer and winter. How did the back hold up?
Paracetamol and a couple of Carlton Draft.
Wow.
Helped me well.
Yeah.
And I'm not looking forward to tomorrow morning.
Cheers. Cheers, boys. Anyone got to wrap up on a...
TLDR, pretty good day overall. Much quicker on the back, much better on the back.
Who highlighted? Or was it an even...
Mr. Tan carried the team
even
on the
team?
back. Pretty even on the front.
Let's get the TLDR, which is first 9, the weather really hit us hard, and we took advantage of the good weather, and that meant pars, which is not what we needed. The back 9, we were under the card, and it wasn't enough.